Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking recipe for today. Some home style one pot recipe. As you can see, presentation chicken and the rice and the Irish. Another update chicken and wash and things to cut up this. I'm gonna add some pepper to my oil and garlic. Please watch the video till the end, like, share, see all the recipe and things. Then I show you step by step here guys. So I never show my season with chicken and things, so you don't know my season with chicken, you so one side put on and thing here. So you can see the recipe right there. Well seasoned, we have curry and some other seasoned and thing. Green seasons also. Some add the chicken to the pot and thing and if you want to fry. You have to fry them, so then hold them brown. Right? Yeah. So when you fry it, you can fry it how you like it, but meat well, you can fry them to them golden brown like this. The recipe are nice, eatable, tastable. Well, I love food enough. I know some not in the cream, but I'm not really cream food at the stuff of life, guys. So my chicken them well fry and brown and golden brown and things. So I turn them because I don't want them burn up and things guys. So I show the recipe step by step. Remember please like and share my office, subscribe, leave a comment. Yes guys. So guys I don't know. Them well crystal brown and pretty and presentation eatable. Guys I don't know if I sit them good in the pot because we don't want them itch up, you see. I don't want them burn up. Right? Yes, so I'm showing the recipe step by step. And you can see the recipe good and clear. Right? So guys, I'm going to remove them back now, put them to a different pan, right? Yes, so I'm showing you step by step on prepare my recipe. Guys, recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember, 7 time rice, 7 time fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. Big up the sexy body girl and big up the true warrior. Big up Father God first and everything. So guys, I'm about to in the same way. On the set in them before, so I take out them one day and put back 2 pieces, but then go and fry. Because I know that the last fry that one thing. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to remove what the island thing guys, because I don't really want too much. I see my carrot cut up on my Irish and thing there. Yeah, you can see I'm onion and see chicken and fried, you see rice and thing there. You can see the recipe guys. The recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. Now trust my eye, because I don't need too much spice. So I throw the chicken and thing there. So I'm going to show them the spice up one pot recipe, home style. So I add the water and thing. The chicken going to cook for 5 minutes. I'm putting the Irish, carrot and the pepper and the onion, you can see yeah. All of my green spice them and thing there, because I want my thing to nice, eatable, tastable. So I'm gonna add some more water guys. I'm gonna cook the chicken for 5 minutes, right? And see the rice and thing. So I lock my pot and thing. You go and cook 5 minutes. I don't know, so I put the chicken cooking away first. So well, that one cook for 5 minutes now. So now prepare my rice. I'm starting by washing my rice and thing, running clean pretty water. Guys, the rice dirty and thing. Well I say it goes still see. So I wash it at the first wash it now and things, and I was strain off the water. So guys please look, watch the video step by step. Yeah, you can see. So I'm going to throw off the water there now and I wash it one more time again. Because you don't know, some people wash till they get clean, but I go and wash it and run the water because you must get clean, but at the end of the day a rice you can't get clean so easy, you see. So that's 2 water gone already guys. So I'm going to throw off it again. Well, you can see whole heap of starch I run out and thing, you know, guys. So I'm going to wash it one more time, you see guys. Well, I rinse it and thing because it there, I get clean now. So you see recipe I boil up and thing there guys, and I add the rice to it and things. So I'm showing step by step. So well, so I put in the rice and thing there guys and things, and I stir it up and I don't want it burn. Although if the pot not burn it not nice, but at the end of the day, I don't like when my rice burn. It not taste good guys. So I fix the chicken and I fix the rice and thing and put the rice if you go and put the chicken if you go and thing. Yes, so I'm going to cover this now to go and cook. Tell my rice cook how me want it. Go and cook. Alright guys, another update again. See the quality of the recipe there. You can see it's not ready yet guys, so you don't know the rice and look tough seeing me. Cover it but you go and cook and thing. Guys you can see I'm going to steam it out. I put a bag over it, so I sprinkle some water over the recipe. Because the rice look tough and thing guys. So well, I turn on my fire and thing, so I put the bag and thing. First time days. When I use a fire paper to the rice, I use a plastic bag, normal the rice bag. What brings out the rice bag and I use it back same way. So we have cover it and think I want a recipe to steam out the right way. So cover it now and give it on 5 more minutes again and see it look like. Well guys, see there, chicken well presentation and thing, you can see quality of the recipe. No, still look away guys. You give it on next 5 more minutes. Well see recipe there, you can see, so I'm stirring up and think I don't want it burn up, but dig it up in there guys, you must see a rice. Guys, recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember please like and share. 7 time rice, 7 time fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. Big up the sexy body girl, big up the true warrior, and big up Father God first and everything guys. You can see the quality of the recipe. Recipe just delicious, eatable, tastable. Guys, mouth they run water. But not tell no lie. So guys, you know the recipe ready. See the chicken well steam out and thing there. You can see the presentation, see the rice, the well shelly down and thing, and nice, tastable, eatable. Please watch the video to the end. Remember to like and share, subscribe, leave a comment, guys. When you try the recipe, let us inbox. I left a comment and tell about the recipe. I see presentation there. Remember the home style, one pot recipe ready. You can see the chicken there, the rice, well shell, the carrot, all of the Irish and thing and the spice and thing of the rice. Please remember to watch the video, like and share. Subscribe also, guys. The recipe are nice, eatable, tastable, finger licking, delicious. Bye guys, later.